Okay, good morning everybody. We got a new addition here to the hiking crew. Say hi, Woofie. So this is Woofie. We got him a couple weeks ago. He's a handful. He's about a year old, they say. So I gotta walk him. I've been trying to get training him here, and he's a pretty damn smart dog, but like all young dogs, they just gotta chew on everything, and so getting him out in the forest is the best thing I can do. And he is learning to not pull so much. I've taken him out last couple, well, over the last week about 3 or 4 times. So now I feel like I can handle him and a camera. So anyway, yeah, so so anyway, here we go. Come on. So this is a different trail than we've taken before. So I thought I'd let you guys see this. It's kind of nice little single track. Instead of having to go through all the bicycle stuff, we can get right into the forest and get on with it. Come on. Come on, Woofie. So let's go. He's having a good time getting out here. So today it's nice and cool up here. It's probably right at 70 degrees with trade winds running 15 to 20 and some higher gusts. So it's nice and breezy in here. Not so bad down here, but you can, I don't know if you guys can hear the wind through the trees. But come on. So we will get back up on the main trails in a little bit here, but this is just a different way into the park. And hardly anybody ever uses it, so. Oh, I got my earbuds in. I'm gonna take those out. Hang on, Woofie. Sorry. Okay. So we're up here by the water treatment plant, but this part they don't use anymore, it doesn't seem like anyway. Come on. Come on, Woofie. Let's go. Let's go. Well, there is a lower trail there, I think. Maybe not. But so, come on, let's go. Move. Come on, Woofie. Yeah. Come on. So anyway, having a dog, I haven't had one in a while, about a year or two, and so now I got to train Woofie, and right now we're teaching him to ride in the back of the truck. I've got a harness for him that he hooks up to so he can't jump out, and then once he gets real used to riding in the back of the truck, I'm going to try and teach him to ride on the back of the motorcycle. So I'll make a little platform for him, and then when we come up here hiking, we don't have to we don't have to take the truck all the time. And since the bike's electric and I got solar on the house, we won't be having to pay for gas anymore. And we're going into summer, and at some point summer's going to dry out, but this summer's been unusual in the fact that we've been getting rain almost every other day. So let's see. Okay, come on this way, Woofie, Woofie. Yeah. Come on. Oh, shoot. Those damn roots get me. Anyway, you can see it's a beautiful day in the forest. Come on. Actually, it seems like it's pretty dry in the forest, so it's had a chance. Oh, look at this. Check out what the pigs did. They've rutted out this area real good. Right there. Anyway, come on, Woofie. So, yeah, they were out rutting around in here. Okay, this is Fong Ridge Road we're on right now. It'll head straight up to the top, but we're going to take the long way, go on the Kahakapau Trail. Come on. And then right here is the bicycle. This is part of the Pineapple Express we're crossing over here. Kids come flying down this. They got some jumps right there, and then it goes off into the valley. Okay, we're coming up to the picnic table here, and this is a gulch now on the other side of the last gulch we were on, and this one is really a deep gulch. Drops, well, like the other one did drop sheer too, but this one is dangerously steep. Let's see if we can get a good view of this. Pigs have already carved up this, but you can tell how steep it is when you're looking down in the gulch, and the trees barely make it up to your height. And anyway, yeah, and then the gulch is real wide. I don't know if you can see through the trees to the far side. It's difficult with all the canopy here. So anyway, we're going to move on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. go. Come on, this way, Woofie. Come on. Okay. Well, we're about not quite a mile in at this point. Okay, Woofie's doing pretty good. He still pulls a little bit at the leash, but not as bad as he did before. I have to say, sometimes it's really beneficial going uphill. It takes a little of the load. Come on, off of me. But he's still really young. He's got a lot to learn, and I have a lot to learn too. Come on, Woofie. Anyway, let's go. We've got a lot of ground to cover today, buddy. Probably should have brought an extra battery for the camera. Okay. All right, I'm going to let you go and we'll come back in a little bit. Come on. Come on, Woofie. Let's go. This is the forest here. Okay, up. Go. Come on. Go. Good boy, Woofie. You're... Here's what I'm talking about fairly straight down. Once again, another gulch, or actually it's the upper part of the same gulch. So, okay, let's go. Come on. Okay, we're at the fork in the road. We're going to go off to the right. The other is Pahoa Road. Anyway, it's Pahoa Road, I think. And if I got it wrong, excuse me, I can never seem to remember. Anyway, at least I can't remember it all the time, but okay, we're getting into the steeper switchbacks here for a little bit. This will take us up to the top, and then we'll be on our way back down. Well, actually, we go across the top. We still got a ways to go to the very, very top. But come on. Take a little quick break. So he requires a lot more water than I do. There you go, Woofie. I'll take a hit. So this is where we are in the forest right now. We're getting some cloud buildup, so it's kind of shutting the sunlight out. But this is the trail we came up. And hold on, Woofie. Hey. And this is the trail we're going up. So anyway, I guess he just knocked his water over. So I guess Woofie, Woofie, you want any more water? Wait, come here. Water here. Okay. Okay, some milk. No. What do you smell, pig? Let me get this stuff back in, Woofie, and then we'll go. Woofie, slow. Good boy. Good boy. Slow. Come on. You're going to choke yourself with that collar. Okay, we're coming to the top of the trail now, and my batteries are running low, so we're just about to run out of battery here, so I'm going to let you guys go, and I hope you enjoyed the walk, and we will talk to you later. Aloha.